Alright guys, so I was able to miraculously put this in, but it takes a lot of force, so it's not for the faint of heart. So what I did was I put this down like this on the floor, and you see how this has this little line down there, so like this, and this one here has a little line going in there. I'm not sure if you guys can see that, but on the other side there is no line, so I had the one that has a little line in there going on top, and then you have to press down super hard, which means most people will either break this or just not be able to do it. So maybe sometimes it'll work better on a table, I don't know. But that's how I got one of those in.
Likey.